The cytoplasm consists of everything inside the plasma membrane of the cell. It includes the watery, gel-like material called cytosol, as well as various structures. The water in the cytoplasm makes up about 2/3 of the cell's weight and gives the cell many of its properties. Uh, in particular, the very special properties of water, which we will talk about in the next chapter, become properties that are also found in the cytosol or cytoplasm of the cell. Cytoplasm has several important functions, including suspending cell organelles, pushing against the plasma membrane to help the cell keep its shape, and providing a site for many of the biochemical reactions of the cell. Crisscrossing the cytoplasm is a structure called the cytoskeleton, which consists of thread-like filaments and tubules. You can see these filaments and tubules in the cells in this figure. As its name suggests, the cytoskeleton is like a cellular skeleton. It helps the cell maintain its shape, and it also holds cell organelles in place within the cytoplasm and aids in intracellular transport. That's moving substances within the cell. The cytoskeleton could be looked at as a subway system inside the cell.